There's the bell, and here we go. We're all along for the ride on this one, but make no mistake about it, we're going to have a winner.
And this is one of those matches where it's hard to believe we get paid for this. Well, actually, it's hard to believe Saxton gets paid for anything.
This crowd here in Miami can barely contain themselves, and I can't say that I blame them. This is going to be great.
Just making his presence felt there. Let's take a moment to talk about Townsend. For those that haven't seen much of him, what can we expect tactic-wise from him tonight?
I was just thinking about something. I would pay Mr. McMahon for this job, and he actually pays me. You believe that?
But wow, these fans are in for a real treat here. I know that for sure.
Unleashing it for the second time now.
Well done.
We know he's tough, but the back of his head is starting to resemble a speed bag. Not where Scott Hall wants to be right now. This could be the start of an ugly downward spiral if he's not careful.
He just has to make sure this doesn't get too out of hand for him. Sometimes, momentum has a way of permanently swinging one way. That's what he wants to avoid here.
Ain't no stopping him now.
Scott Hall is a force within the ring.
Got the reversal. Scott Hall looking a little drained in there.
I'm not sure how much more he has to give.
This match is trending in a bad direction for him right now, guys. He's going to want to make some changes if he wants to stay in it.
Well, he's certainly looking a little worse for wear, but that doesn't mean you should count him out just yet. I'm sure there's plenty of fight still left in him.
Scott Hall is a force within the ring.
Oh, the counter. And there's his speed paying off. Oh, and he reverses it. And it's reversed.
Legs taken out by the Russian leg sweep.
Townsend not looking so good here.
He needs to create some space and find a way to get back on the offensive.
Got him good with the underhand.
He's simply reminding him that he's here.
He's too quick for him there.
I think the arena shook after that kind of impact.
He's taking a long time to get up, guys.
Perhaps playing a little possum here, Cole.
Look out. Quickly taken back down.
He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher.
Scott Hall running out of gas quickly here. Tonight may not be his night, guys.
Guys, it's a wonder he's even able to stand at this point. If I'm the referee, I'm seriously considering stopping this match.
And you get the feeling that he's not going to look back at this match with great fun.
Amazing combination.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Still trying to get back to his feet here.
He's clearly in a bad way right now.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, he turns it around.
Choke slam! Did you see the height on that one?
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
He's not going to like this.
Scott Hall, right where he wants it. Because we're about to see the
incredible move by Scott Hall.
It's heating up now.
An early pin attempt.
2. Wow, it doesn't get much closer than that.
He's got some more fight in him, guys.
Doesn't show any signs of getting up here, guys.
No, he's taking one heck of a beating, Michael.
Delivered a beautiful uppercut, man. That had some force behind it. Scott Hall turns it around.
Check out Scott Hall's offense.
No, he reverses it.
He wants no part of the outside.
Byron, he may be down for good.
That wouldn't surprise me at all, not after the beating he's taken.
Scott Hall turns it around.
Uh-oh.
I'm afraid to think what's going to happen next.
Scott Hall is a force within the ring. Just making his presence felt there.
Nope, reverses it. He's not getting up.
You can't like his chances right now.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Look out!
He might diving leg drop. The end is near.
I don't know if Scott Hall even knows where he is right now.
What a display of athleticism. He's almost got him.
He misses on that one.
Were his eyes even open?
Imagine what he's feeling, being deliberately deprived of oxygen by an opponent during a match. This is almost insufferable.
He's lining him up. Don't blink. You don't want to miss this.
I don't know if Scott Hall even knows where he is right now.
It could be over here.
1, 2, 3. There's the pin. It's over. It's all over.